something brand new. All right. They want something brand new, lion. I want is the praise in action. Let me explain it, MBARE. One job. The KUTI KUTI. But and see keep ini. Kanjenge sign this is ini. Then respond in the tension shika ini. Then DZVIII. I didn't know it's and speak ini. MBARE. It's my first show in MBARE 2020 Strive. I have to give you a new tune. One job. MBARE. The KUTI KUTI. But and see keep ini. Kanjenge sign this is ini. Then respond in the tension shika ini. Then DZVIII. I didn't know it's and speak ini. The Papa Kabuna. Alright, the cheetah. Sanpet my notes and that teacher ini. The pura foot and the teacher ini. Just as I just and that and get a free time. But not in them, Sitara Baba. Apa no KUTI Baba. Pura me so honaka. And the tenga kene motaka. Like the angle maka. You know.
Hi, this is Eddie Customs Clearing and Forwarding.
Eddie Customs Clearing and Forwarding is a leading importer of motor vehicles, farming equipment from countries like South Africa, Thailand, and Japan. Their services include vehicle procurement, processing, customs clearance at all borders and airports.
We import farming equipment, mining equipment, motor vehicles, even spares.